Now I'm going to show you how to fold a simple origami envelope. You can just use a plain sheet of A4 paper. If you look at this sheet, it's got these lines drawn on it, which represent the creases. Now you don't need these, you can just use a blank sheet, or you can actually download this and print this out from our website. So what we're going to do is, we're going to turn it over and turn it so it's portrait. And we're going to fold the bottom edge to line up with the top edge. Now do it slowly and carefully and try to get the corners and edges to meet. And then make yourself a nice sharp crease. And if you run your fingernail along the crease, it will make sure it's nice and crisp. Then we'll open it back up. And then we're going to focus on the bottom left corner. And we're going to fold this up so it meets the middle crease line. Now origami is all about symmetry. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So what we're going to do now is focus on the top right corner and fold this down. And you will end up with this kind of shape that looks a bit like a parallelogram. What we're going to do next is focus on this bottom right edge. And we're going to fold this to meet the right edge of the triangle that you just folded here. And again, repeat on the other side. So this top left edge, we're going to fold over to meet the left edge of the triangle. We're going to rotate the model by about 45 degrees. And what we're going to do is fold this corner here, to meet this edge here. And again, repeat on the other side. And finally, we're going to push this corner and tuck it into this pocket here. And repeat on the other side. Then when you turn it over, you have yourself a finished envelope. Thank you very much.